ಕಳೆದ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಥಿಯರಿದ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಐಸೋಲೇಟೆಡ್ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್, ಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ we had to discuss what you mean by a walk, and then what is a closed walk, a trail, path, cycle and circuit. So these are the parameters we have discussed in the previous class. Today's class I am going to first start with some standard graphs. ಕೆಲವು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Then we will discuss few more parameters associated with graphs. So standard graphs ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ usually first one, write a complete graph. Complete graph. ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ the order of the graph is the number of vertices of the graph and the size of the graph is the number of edges in the graph. ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಟೈಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ. ಎಡ್ಜಸ್, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಡ್ಜಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದಿ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಸೊ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ here we'll write kn to denote this kn, and see suppose you have n vertices. I'll take here n vertices. For example, I'll take n equal to 4. Then you have to join all the vertices by edges. So ಈ vertex ತಗೋತೀನಿ, ಈ vertex ಇಂದ ಈ vertex ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ vertex ಇಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ vertex ಇಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Then from this vertex, this is already joined, it is already joined again, so join these two and this, then this. Then if you come to this vertex, then this is joined to this, it is joined again, join again. So this is K4. So generally K1 means single vertex, K1, capital K have to write. K2, that is a complete graph order 2, so I have to write 2 vertices, then join this by an edge. This is K2. K3, 3 vertices, then join all those 3 vertices. K4 I have written already. K5, write 5 vertices, then join all these 5 vertices. This with this. This is K5, K1, K2, K3, K5, K4 I have written here. See, if you observe these graphs, here K1, degree of the vertex is 0. K2, degree of each vertex is, I'll write the degree here, 0. Degree of each vertex is 1. Here K3, degree of each vertex is 2. K4, degree of each vertex is 3. K5, degree of each vertex is, you can observe that, 4. Yes, 4. So in general, Kn, each vertex have degree n minus 1. ಎಷ್ಟು vertices ಇರುತ್ತೆ, that number minus 1, that will be the degree of each vertex in K. ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, in any graph if all the vertices have same degree, such graphs are called regular graphs. So any complete graph is Kn is n minus 1 regular graph. N minus 1 regular graph. And it is also called strongly connected. That will explain later. So this is about complete graph Kn. Kn ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ have to write n vertices. n ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು vertices ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So taking any one vertex, you have to join that to all remaining n minus 1 vertices. This will be Kn, complete graph. The second one, this is called Kn bar. Later I will explain what you mean by this bar. ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ kn. ಬಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ kn. Complement of kn means you have to just write n vertices. That's all. Later we will understand why this one we have to write like this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vertices. K5 bar. This is actually the complement of this graph. K5 is the K5 bar is the complement of K5. Similarly, if you want to write K2 bar, just write 2 vertices. That is K2 bar. If you want K10 bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is K10 bar. Just write 10 vertices. This one is called totally disconnected graph. Totally disconnected graph. So Kn is called strongly connected. Kn bar is called totally disconnected graph. All vertices are disconnected. So that is about complete graph and totally disconnected graph. Complete graph and its complement. Next is about cycle. Cycle ಮುಂಚೆ explain ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So any closed path is called a cycle. So it is denoted by Cn. Cn represents cycle of order n. Cycle of order n. So we have already discussed in the previous video. A closed path is called a cycle. So here, to represent cycle, we use the notation Cn. Suppose you want to write C1. Usually cycle is defined for n greater than or equal to 3. If you write a single vertex, you won't get any cycle format. So Cn is defined only for n greater than or equal to 3. N greater than or equal to 3. So I have to start with 3. So C3, C4, C5 and so on. So C3, we have to write 3 vertices and join them. C4, I will write. This is C4. C5, this is C5. C6, this is C6. So just you have to write n vertices, then join corresponding vertices. These two, and this one. And here you have to join this vertex with its neighbors. So these are called cycle graphs of order n. So this is C3, C4, C5, C6. If you look at this graph, each vertex is of degree 2. Each vertex is of degree 2. So Cn is a 2 regular graph. 2 regular graph. So Cn is a 2 regular graph. So closed path is called a cycle. Next, we shall define path graph. That is denoted by Pn. Path graph Pn, path of order n. So this can be easily obtained from this cycle. See, if you have closed path, that is the cycle. Now let us make it open. So if I remove one vertex here, so P3, 1, 2, 3 vertices. Sorry, remove one edge from this. See, this is P3. So difference between these two is, if you join these end vertices, you get cycle of order 3. If you don't join them, then it will be a path of order 3. So this is P3, P4, P5, P6, that's all. So these are path graphs of order n. Here I can observe that each vertex except end vertices have degree 2. You see, if you remove these two, if you don't consider these two, remaining vertices have degree 2. Here also degree 2, degree 2. So if you take any two vertices in a path graph, either that vertex will have degree 1 or 2. So this is called 1, 2 regular graph. 1, 2 regular graph. How can we define 1, 2 regular graph? Any graph whose vertex degree is either 1 or 2 is 1, 2 graph. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ vertex ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಅದರ degree either 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ 2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So any vertex of degree 1 is called pendant vertex, and an edge associated or edge incident to pendant vertex is called pendant edge. So if you take any path graph, that will have two pendant vertices and remaining vertices will be having degree 2. So pendant vertex irutte, ಉಳಿದದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ degree 2 irutte. And this vertex that is adjacent to a pendant vertex is called support vertex. Keep that in mind. So this is about cycle graph and path graph. Next we shall have one more connected graph, that is star graph. Star graph. So star graph it is usually denoted by k 1, n minus 1, but we use notation k 1, n to have a simpler rotation. K 1, n. So this is a star of order. So order of the star is obtained by adding these two indices. So 1 n plus 1. If you want to write a star graph k 1, n, so 1 you have to write one vertex here. Then write n vertices. Suppose I want to write k 1, 2. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಬರೀತೇನೆ, ಇನ್ನೆರಡು ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೀತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮಿಡಲ್ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ k 1, 2, ಸೇಮ್ ಎಸ್ ಪಾತ್ p3. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ k 1, 3, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಬರೀತೇನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು. ನಾವು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ k 1, 3. K 1, 4, let us write one vertex in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. So join this, and this. This is K 1, 4. K 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Join these two. Join this with this. This is k 1, 5. Similarly, if you want to write k 1, n, a star graph of order n plus 1, write one vertex at the middle and n vertices round the middle vertex. Then join all these vertices to the middle one. So first ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು vertex ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಸುತ್ತ n number of vertices ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. n number of vertices ನ ಇದೊಂದು vertex ಗೆ join ಮಾಡೋದು. Again here, if you take any vertex, that will be having either degree, see, look into this. These two vertices have degree 1, this has degree 2. And here, this has vertex degree 3. This is the vertex of degree 4, degree 5. This number. So if you take any two vertices, that will be having, actually, exactly one vertex will be having degree n, remaining vertices will be having degree 1. So this is actually 1, n minus 1 regular graph. One vertex will be having degree n minus 1, remaining n vertices will be having degree 1. So this is 1, n minus 1 regular graph. So this is about complete graph, path graph, cycle graph and star graph. Next we will be having bipartite graph. Bipartite graph ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, see, we have the vertex set of G, vertex set. I have to write this as two different sets. ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆರಡು ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್, ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ V1 intersection V2 must be empty. ಸೊ ನೋ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್. ಕೆಲವು ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ, ಉಳಿದ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ, ಎರಡು ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. Then join the vertices of this set to vertices of this. For example, I have say V equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10 vertices ಇದೆ. ನನಗೆ 10 vertices ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, V1 equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 ತಗೋತೀನಿ. V2 equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ their intersection must be empty. Their intersection must be empty. V1 intersection V2 must be empty, and V1 union V2 must be V. If that condition holds, then we say that these two are partitions of V. Partition ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವೆರಡು ಸೆಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅವೆರಡರದ್ದು ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ V ಬರಬೇಕು. Now V1 and V2, these two forms partition of this. Now write these vertices 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then join vertices of this set V1 with the vertices of V2. You can join any vertex. This with this, and this with this with this. And no vertex in a same set must be adjacent. V2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಯಾವುದು adjacent ಇರಬಾರದು. No two vertices in V2 are adjacent. Similarly, no two vertices in V1 are adjacent. Such graph are called bipartite graph. So simple ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ, any graph whose vertex set can be partitioned into two sets so that vertex in one set is adjacent to vertex in other set, and no two vertices in the same set are adjacent, is called bipartite graph. If all the vertices of V1 are adjacent to all the vertices of V2, then we call that as complete bipartite graph. So bipartite ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ V1 ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕೆಲವು ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ V2 ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕೆಲವು ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ bipartite ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ V1 ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ V2 ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಗೂ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಇದು bipartite ಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ bipartite ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ V1 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Now this will be adjacent to this. So this will be having degree 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This also having 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. See, this is not adjacent to this. 5. 3 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎರಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. See, this I have not made adjacent to this. This I have not made adjacent to this. So 5 ಬಂತು. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each vertex will be having degree 5 here also. And usually, if you have order of V1 equal to M, suppose if you have M vertices here, and similarly order of V2 equal to N, then the bipartite graph is denoted by complete bipartite. Sorry, complete bipartite graph is denoted by K M comma N. K M comma N. This represents complete bipartite graph whose vertex set can be partitioned into a set of order M and a set of order N. Here actually this is K. First set the size of 5 is, second set the size of 5. K 5 comma 5. A. So this is about complete bipartite graph. Similarly, suppose the vertex set can be ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಇಂಟು 3 ಸೆಟ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 3 ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಟ್ರೈಪರ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಟ್ರೈಪರ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್. Suppose the vertex set can be partitioned into 3 sets, 4 sets, 5 sets, 6 sets. That's all possible. So such graphs are called multipartite graph. Multipartite graph. Multipartite ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the vertex set can be partitioned into n number of or k number of subsets or k number of partitions. Such graphs are called multipartite graph. If all the vertices in one set are adjacent to every vertices in other sets, then it is called complete multipartite graph. Next graph, that is wheel graph. Wheel graph. This is about actually this is just like star graph. Star graph ಬರ್ತವಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಸುತ್ತ n ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಟೆಸಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಆ n ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಟೆಸಸ್ ನ ಮಿಡಲ್ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ವರ್ಟೆಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಸೈಕಲ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿನೋಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ Wn or W1, n-1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. n greater than or equal to 4, W1, n. Now you can write n greater than or equal to 3. Now I want to write W1, 3. So write 3 vertices. In the middle write one vertex. If you join all these vertices to the middle vertex, you get K1, 3. Now I'll join these two. This and this. This is W1, 3. Similarly, W1, 4. One vertex here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So join these. Now, if you join these vertices, then it is W1, 4. Similarly, and so on. You can write similarly W1, 5, W1, 6, and so on. This is wheel graph. It can be just looked as a wheel. Round ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ wheel ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So it is called wheel graph. Here also you can observe the degree. Each vertex will be of degree 3 or the vertices on the cycle. Middle vertex will be of degree, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ ನಂಬರ್, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If you write 3 here, you get 3. Here 4, you get 4. Generally, this vertex will be of degree n, and all other vertices will be of degree 3. It is 3, n regular graph. So this is about wheel graph. These are about a standard. Next is about complement of a graph. Complement. See, suppose I have graph G. I have G. So its complement is denoted by G bar. The complement of the graph G is denoted by G bar. And this G bar obtained from G using the condition, two vertices in G bar are adjacent if and only if they are not adjacent in G. Complement of G bar means that is exactly the edge reversal of G. G ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಎರಡು ವರ್ಟೆಸಸ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ G ಬಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋ ತರ ಮಾಡೋದು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, if you take this graph, here I have two vertices. This is actually K2. You have to write the same vertex set to write its complement. K2 bar. You have to write the same vertex set. Here two vertices are adjacent. Here we have to make them non-adjacent. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು adjacent ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ non-adjacent ಮಾಡೋದು, ಉಲ್ಟಾ. Similarly, suppose I have this graph, say C3. Okay, again if you take C3, its complement will be just 3 vertices. So I will take C4. C4. This is C4. Cycle of order 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to write its complement C4. I have to write C4 bar. So I have to write the same vertex set. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same vertex set ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ 1 and 2 are adjacent here. So we have to make them non-adjacent. 1 and 3 are not adjacent here in G. So I have to make them adjacent in G bar. So it is 3 and it is 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮತ್ತು 3 ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಮತ್ತು 4 ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು 2 and 4 are non adjacent, remaining are adjacent. ಸೊ 2 ಮತ್ತು 4. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 3 ಬಂದ್ರೆ it is not adjacent to 1 here, so I have to make them adjacent. Next 4 that is not adjacent to 2, I have to make them adjacent here. Yes. 3 and 4. Yes. C4 bar. This is the C4 bar. See, it is C4. It is C4 bar. Just you have to make non-adjacent vertices adjacent and adjacent vertices non-adjacent. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ adjacent ಇದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ non-adjacent ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Non-adjacent ಇರೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ adjacent ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Such graphs are called complement of the graph G. So G bar is called a complement graph obtained by, or okay, you can write the definition like this. The complement of a graph is denoted by G bar such that two vertices are adjacent in G bar, if and only if they are not adjacent in G. So this is the definition of complement of a graph. A graph obtained from G in which two vertices are adjacent if and only if they are not adjacent in G. That is called simple complement of the graph. If you have Kn, as I said earlier, Kn and the graph we will be having totally n vertices such that one vertex will be adjacent to every vertex, every other vertex. If you want to write Kn bar, you have to write same vertex set. ಮತ್ತೆ same vertex set ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Here each vertex is adjacent to every vertex in that graph. So you have no option to write any edge here. So you have to write just only the vertex set. So Kn bar, the complement of the complete graph. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾಗ Kn ಬರ್ದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ Kn ಬಾರ್ ಬರ್ದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಬರೀ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಎಡ್ಜಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ Kn ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿದ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಆಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್.